So, what is a home renovation consultant or a home remodeling consultant? Even though I'd been involved in the real estate industry for decades, the term is relatively new to me as well. I'm Bobby Moore, your go to expert for transforming your house into the home of your dreams. Today, we're diving into how you can save a fortune on your home renovations by taking charge as your own general contractor with a little expert guidance from a home renovation consultant. Imagine this, slashing over $40,000 off your renovation cost. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's totally possible, and I'm here to show you how. A home renovation consultant or remodeling coach, which we like to use, provides expert guidance throughout the renovation process. They help homeowners plan, design, and manage their remodeling projects effectively. Key responsibilities include planning and design, assisting in creating a project plan that fits the homeowner's vision and budget, budget management, helping to create a realistic budget and identifying opportunities to save costs. Wouldn't you like to do that? Educational support, offering knowledge and advice on various aspects of renovation to empower homeowners in decision making. Sourcing materials, guiding homeowners in choosing appropriate materials, fixtures, and furniture that align with their budget as well as their design goals. Contractor assistance, facilitating communication between homeowners and contractors to ensure that the project expectations are clear and met. Project oversight, helping homeowners in managing the project timeline, handling issues as they arise, and ensuring that project stays within the budget and gets done on time. Quality control, monitoring the renovation process to ensure the work is done to a high standard and according to plan. Permitting and compliance, assisting with the permitting process and ensuring that all renovations comply with local building codes and regulations. A home renovation consultant, like we do here, partners with you to personally and personalize the process and educate you throughout your home renovation journey. It's all about empowering you with the tools to lead your project while saving big dollars and avoiding common pitfalls. It's like having a coach in your back pocket as you go through your renovation that helps you get things done on time, within budget, and avoid a ton of potential minefields along the way. Stepping into the role of your own general contractor might seem daunting the first time around, but with the right support, you're in full control. You get to call the shots on design, budget, and timelines, which means your dream space comes to life exactly as you envision it and more affordably too. Here's what we at Necking Real Estate do and how we can help you in your project. First, we assess your dream home and what you're looking to create. Next, planning. We sketch out your vision, deciding what's possible, doable, and most critical to include, as well as those nice to haves based on budget. Then it's time to get the best resources for every part of the project, from plumbers to pulls for kitchen cabinets. Budgeting. We help you crunch the numbers to ensure you get the most bang for your buck without compromising on style. I also provide you with know-how needed to make savvy decisions every step of the way. Got questions? I'll be there to help you get the answers. I can also help you find the best contractors in your area for your projects, ensuring your vision is understood and executed flawlessly. Keeping everything on track and within budget, that's my superpower. Problem solving. If you hit a snag, I'm here to help you untangle the complexities of renovation surprises. And I keep a keen eye on the craftsmanship, ensuring you get top-notch results for the dollars you spend. Navigating red tape, not sure on how to deal with compliance or permitting, we're making sure everything's up to code that you get done. And finally, if you're thinking ahead to a future sale, I advise on choices that boost your home's market value, helping you come up with the ultimate in a resale value and price. But all final decisions are yours. Let me share a story with you. One client, TJ and his wife, had wanted to help out a family member. They found a great property at a great price. However, the property had been let go and was extremely dated. It was close to a full renovation and was to include transforming a workspace area into a primary suite with a bath. Excited, they started the project, but things went downhill fast. Thinking they had a great contractor, they moved forward. A few months in, with little progress to show, the costs started soaring, going through the roof. It was then that they asked me to look into the situation. Reviewing the work done, as well as the invoices, I quickly realized that they were being ripped off. When I asked the general contractor why the client was billed for their lunch while on a run to Home Depot, I was told, well, we were hungry. Okay. Firing all the contractors and getting a new team of top rated contractors, revamping the scope of work to adjust to a new budget constraint, and sourcing great deals on materials, appliances, and fixtures, we were able to turn the project around and have it completed in 90 days. TJ and his wife were thrilled, and last I heard, they sold the property 3 years later and walked away with about $160,000 profit, all while saving substantial renovation costs once we started working together. Are you ready to take reins on your renovation with your own personal home renovation coach by your side? Visit netgamerealestate.com to learn more and kickstart your journey to a home that not only looks great, but feels uniquely yours. Whether you're planning a small upgrade or a major overhaul, having a coach by your side can make all the difference. Check out the links below for more insights into becoming your own renovation success story and how we can help. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more expert renovation tips. Remember, with the right guidance, your dream home is within reach. Until next time, happy renovating.